This video is sponsored by RoadFlex, the smartest fuel card and expense management platform for fleets. If you scroll to the bottom of your MyGeotab dashboard, you'll see the dashboard wizard. This lets you add several preset reports with the click of a few buttons. The list of available reports can be seen under each category. So let's say we're interested in some optimization and productivity reports and some safety reports. Now that we've selected these, we'll click Get Started. First, we choose which reports we'd like. Since they're all highlighted by default, we'll uncheck any that we aren't interested in at this time, and then click Next Step. On this page, we can select which groups of users should see the reports. If you select No Groups and leave Include Me as a dashboard viewer set to On, you'll be the only one who sees these new reports. If you select Groups, this will also include anyone who is a part of those groups. And of course, if you select a group and set Include Me to Off, then people in those groups will see the reports, but they won't show up on your dashboard. For this example, let's just set these up for ourselves. We'll leave groups unselected and include ourselves as the dashboard viewer. This page is just telling us that we don't have a number of rules set up that will be required for these reports to run, and they'll be set up automatically with default settings. You can read through the rules that will be set up, and then click Create Reports. Now all of our new reports will show up on our dashboard, and we can rearrange these or adjust them as needed.